Think vegetarian meals are boring, think again. And these quick, easy recipes are so good, even meat lovers will want seconds. First up, loaded veggie stir fry, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, whatever you've got. Hit it with garlic, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of chili flakes. Color, crunch, and flavor in minutes. Fast, easy, and totally satisfying. Next, the chickpea power bowl. Roasted chickpeas, creamy avocado, sweet potatoes, and a tahini drizzle for creaminess. Packed with protein and fiber, you'll stay full and energized. Look at those colors. Healthy never looked this good. Craving comfort? Cheesy veggie quesadilla. Pile on spinach, mushrooms, and peppers. Top with cheese. Toast until it's ooey gooey perfection. Slice, dip, and watch it disappear. Nobody's missing the meat. Number 4. 15-minute lentil curry. Red lentils, coconut milk, tomatoes, warming spices. Ladle it up with naan. Budget-friendly, protein-packed comfort. Comfort food that's fast and cheap to make. Last, zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiral zucchini, toss with fresh basil pesto. Finish with cherry tomatoes. Low carb, full flavor, and ready quick. Perfect for a fast weeknight dinner. Easy, tasty, and definitely not boring. Try one this week and thank me later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy food hacks.